Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on integer problem minus 3, minus 3, minus 9. So now we solve this type of question. First of all, simplify the minus 3 and minus 3 is minus 6. Okay, and now minus 9 is same. Now minus 6 minus 9 will get the answer is minus 6 minus 9 will get the answer minus 15. So how? When minus multiply minus is equal to plus, plus multiply plus is equal to plus, minus multiply plus is equal to minus, plus multiply minus is equal to minus. So here we apply this trick, minus number with minus number. We add this number and write in minus sign. Minus 15 is right answer. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.